Seriously, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sama deu in share. The thirty was a graduation area. Ani got sama sari kyori in Jimji. Ma sari kyun say. Ma sari su yos na yeropa. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
No mo hostel le ang ate kisto. Ondiki. Come here.
My hair is so
Let's
messy.
show our saris.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go and call Kelsa. Okay.
Yeah.
Which hostel in this?
No.
Inside?
Huh? You don't want your stomach to show?
No.
Okay, then I'll tell you one thing. This is what I've seen Dino ma'am does. Okay, look here. You put it out. That's fine.
Kiss her jaw like
We'll
that.
try this. We'll put this.
Take a show. Show. Come. Just pose.
What the don't the fear is the middle.
I feel she. It's so uncomfortable.
Wait, I'll go and put some stuff in here.
Can you?
다 아주 거리시절이야. 레이트 차례 아주 주중요일이더라. 단단히 대처하시.
I'm also really scared because when anyone sees you on there, so be very discreet.
다 아주 되게 오전이 좀 싫어서야. 그래서 she's the one who wrapped sari for us.
Yeah,
And she looks like Maharani.
it's my wedding.
She's soon gonna start YouTube, right?
Yes, very soon. Please subscribe to Isabel George at youtube.com.
Like YouTube.com. College. Who's dress code college? Oh. Kelan's Parish. So, someone didn't know that the Tinder program this year. Some feelings shared and discussion shared.
I mean, closer to the end of college, we've all grown to like each other way more than we began with, which is the story of every class, if you ask me. But we think we never caused problems. We were a solid class. We've had our own fun, whether it's 10 of us together or it's 80 of us together. Somehow we've had fun. Other than that, I think. Yeah, we've given some teachers a nice time, we've given some of them. I love you, Master! All money is in your house.
Nothing is going to happen more than a dance. I can say two words. All I can say is, first of all, I'm wearing these shades so that you don't see my tears. Second of all, I can say that I feel like I've had interaction with all of you. Unlike some people, I'm not going to say it. But I feel like I've had interactions with all of you. I feel like I've trust all of you. I can't hear you. I'm sorry it took me this long, but my God, the women in our class are so beautiful. So. But so, these 3 years have been one hell of a ride. So, ups and downs, everyone knows how adamant I was. I didn't want to give 200 rupees for industrial visit because I'm Marwari. But yes, so it was a solid thing. And the people here, so I feel throughout first year we've grown so much. So like Shamant and I had a fight in the first year, now we look eye to eye. So I think that's beautiful. Bento, what do I say? So what do I say about Bento? words won't define how much I love him. So numbers will though. 5 on 10 went though. I love you, brother. And I missed out a lot of people yesterday. So but Khushi, so it's crazy. She takes racism so well. So genuinely, it's beautiful. It's because all of us as a class. So Mikey has the worst attendance I've seen. That includes me, but he's here, so he's here for the class when we need it. So, but the ID card rules, so I've paid 1,500 rupees in fines so far. And that just hurts, but it's beautiful. And Renita, like, I think we spoke once in first year and once in third year. But those interactions were beautiful, right? And so, like, she's working with all of us, right? And what do I say? So our class has immense talent. Football, inter-class sports, we've killed it. Like, I've heard we've killed it. It's just so beautiful. And see, I won't lie, personally speaking, first year when I entered class, I had like a lot of pre-notions about the class, like, hey, I don't want to talk to this guy looks like he's chapri, I don't want to talk to him. Because that was so no one. But so, third year, my God, so we've progressed so much as a class. There were these tiny groups first year, like they're still there. But so, those tiny groups are in a big group. And the thing is, everyone does want to come together. Like even the industrial visit to Goa, people who only had their nose in the books, they wanted to come to Goa. It's so beautiful, right? We really came together. So it's another thing that Goa didn't happen. But we did so, and you so. Lovely, so lovely. Truly, I mean it. From the bottom of my heart. But so what about Steffi? Steffi! How do I forget? So I've been so like a couple of times when I come late. You're aware I come late. So once ma'am will let me come in late. So I just sat outside the door. Literally legs folded, I sat for 20 minutes. She let me in. Steffi ma'am has truly given us such solid advice. So like as a class. It genuinely blows my mind though. Like, see, I won't lie, initially I had a vendetta against teachers, right? No, not really, but guys. But we've come across different teachers, and it would truly be wrong of me to not bring that out, right? Like Steffi ma'am, the amount of advice. So even now, I'm pretty sure she knows like 80% of our names. That's brilliant.
Crazy, bro.
I know. So and also you, so although those meetings, I don't know if they actually took place. But so you looked out for us as a class. Big ups to that. Big ups. For Jocelyn, sir.
Woo!
What do I say? So like this class actually overwhelms me, right? I didn't think I would even, care about college towards the end. I wanted to quit college after second year. But I didn't, right? For some reason, because 2 years down, I didn't want it to be a dead investment. So I came. And so, this year, yes, thinking like a Marwari. But this year, so, like, it overwhelmed me that right now, even though I'm standing here and we're laughing, it's all happening. I realized this is one of those days, one of those times where in the future we're going to look back to it and we're going to be like, shit, those were the good old days. I'm not lying, so like, it's honestly a little overwhelming. Now before I go, I would like to say one thing. Sanat, I know I touched you a lot. and I've messed around with you a lot. But my boy, you've taken all of it so well. But so one more thing, Alice and Sanat, so the amount of atrocities they've committed against me, I think it was driven by some hate. But all said and done, this was a wonderful class, sir. And throughout the 3 years, we've cried together, we've fought amongst each other, we've gotten together to fight against teachers, we've gotten together to take on the management. That's a different story. But we have. And that is the What's up, sir? How can we forget Anna Pothen, sir? I think there is not one teacher who does not know Anna or her phone. Every teacher. And the beautiful part is she never learns. It's amazing. But yes, and Yusuf, sir, no matter what everyone says, this guy is a vibe, so vibe. Best class rep. I mean, I probably won't vote for him again, but best class rep hands down, so. And yeah, I think that's my time. I love you all. Thank you all for being so bloody amazing. Thank you guys.
Okay, so initially our class was online and stuff, and because of COVID and all of that. And back then we really wanted to, be on campus and get to interact with each other, more in a physical classroom. But so we could experience that in one way when we went to Skyline back in 2021, and that was when we all got to meet each other like for the first time. There was one more meeting earlier, but I don't think many people went for that, right? So yeah, since that, the class is opened and stuff, and we've all been through so much together. So my fondest memory was actually when we went to Solo. Some of us decided not to come. But yeah, so I remember the representative there, they wanted us to dance together and perform a skit and stuff. So most of us were pretty awkward at that time. But at the end of the day, we had a lot of fun. Like Isabel taught us how to dance. Thank you so much for teaching us how to dance. Yeah. And we all said sit together. No, everyone did.
One step.
It's like enough, I get it. No, I love this class, I really do. And it makes me really sad that this is probably the last time we sit together as a class. And I'm going to miss this class. Thank you all for being there for me and helping me with notes and everything. Yeah, thank you guys, I love you guys. I sat in the wrong class and came back. She couldn't be.
Jane.
She's thinking, you're pushing me.
So I would just like to thank everyone who was in this journey with me, whether good or bad experiences, and it was all meant to be in the end. So, and also a few of my close ones, you know who y'all are. Without y'all, I wouldn't have enjoyed and taken part in so many things and balance.
Best outline. We also have Kalotsav, I think the best.
Snacks box. Let me show you what's inside that. we're going for a class photo. Why it looks so dark? Because your brightness is
Please assemble fast.
so far, Gary.
This is my favorite song. You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say I want it that way. Ain't nothing but a
진짜 더워요. 계산라. 라다. 루이需要给洗的루이啊，루이 오늘 루이. 아 루이 오늘 루이. 루이 나가 오늘 루이. 오. Oh, nice! They put carpet and all.
Oh, look at this food counters everywhere.
Oh, are we gonna have dinner here?
Yeah.
My God! I think it's over there. I can see one to yeah.
Please take your seats.
It was a
We're
formal
starting
session.
our formal session for all the English viewers. And we have food kept.
Yeah.
We're very excited to eat because we're very hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, me too. So
Come, let's sit in the
front.
front. Okay, let's sit in the front. But speaker. It'll be too loud.
다들 데코레이션 유행인지 미치. 맞으시 팀 공부야. 상호 공부. Your seats 3 become D.
We'll go in the front. Speaker, ma.
상호 공부 시대에서 아침이고.
You step out into a world where you can choose to be anything, choose to be.
I am sure you are all having a heavy heart, and ours, the faculty members and the staff of June 2021. We were all, and that unstoppable is you. May God bless each and every one of you, and on behalf of each and every faculty member and staff of SJCC, I wish you well. As on the screen we have put farewell to the batch of 2024. You fare really well in every aspect of your life. May God bless you. That we shall in thought, word and deed endeavor to be honest in nation, and that we shall devote all our energy to promote the unity and secular
heart to give, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. We give thanks for the bountiful blessings that we have received, for the gift of parents, family, friends, and community that enrich our lives. Humbling ourselves before God for having received the knowledge, wisdom.
When we grew up into leaders of today from people of tomorrow, little did we know that from bumping into each other 3 years ago would turn into saying goodbye today in the blink of an eye. We've come very far. Try to think about the person you were 3 years.
Each and every graduating student to this moment today. Abundance of opportunities that lie ahead. May they be grateful for the knowledge.
SJCC, we now have the after movie of the farewell day.
So welcome to the vlog.
Request you to kindly keep the used plates in the bin that is provided near the light roof area. Also, please pick up any of those used water bottles that you
This is the tent. This is
and leave it
Tenzin.
in the same bin.
This is the Prerna. Oh! Rachana. Yes, I got the name right.
What's my name?
Prakriti.
What's my name?
Ale.
Yeah! What's my name?
Isabel. Sana.
Alice, cry!
How is it?
Very nice.
Oh my god, it's Is it spicy? That's Zore graduation. How was your graduation?
It was very, very nice. I missed the college already, but I'm very tired and my feet are killing me from wearing my heels. Other than that, all good.
I don't know if I'm gonna see her because she's leaving tomorrow and she has 6% attendance, so we're not sure if she'll get hall ticket. So,
But it's okay, I will get hall ticket, right? I will. Manifesting.
You should.
Yeah, I should. I should, right?
Hello, Kasti. Situ lah mo. Sudah jadi. video. I don't know what's going on now. What's going on?
Something ki 3 ball company ki jai.
I hope the class forgives and forgets whatever happened in the past, any unpleasant things.
Yeah.
There were some shortcomings that couldn't, what can I say? There were some unavoidable things. I hope you forgive and forget all that. And I wish everyone all the very best in your future endeavors. I hope that next time we meet, you don't act like complete strangers. And yeah, I just want to thank you. My unmatched perspicacity coupled with sheer indefatigability makes me a feared opponent in any realm of human endeavor.
In you, I thought my heart was detached from all the sunlight of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty. Does she mean you forgot about me? Oh, I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Thank you.
Dedicated to CA because his dad was a what? Rank holder in CA, yeah. So that's it. He's a really nice man. But I think you should stop creating fake Bumble accounts, you know. No! I was sing a nice song for you guys. 3,
This one's for you, Shipra.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, start. You are my fire, the one desire. Believe what I say. I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Now number 5, I never want to hear you say I want it that way. Future CA, we're going to sing a song for you guys. Kanmani anboda kadalan nae kadirame Unmani unmita saukyamara ninge saukyame Enni parkayil kavide gottide are elada nilkiyil
Let's go cake cutting.
Best on your right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I love you.
We'll feed everyone.
Anshu 0.5. Anshu, that no. Five.
0.5. Start here.